What did we just do?
Put Grampy out on the boat and then we sailed him away forever.
Sail them away forever?
Yes.
Why do you want to sail Grampy away forever?
I don't know.
And what did we see this morning? That was fun.
A moose.
A moose. Was it a girl moose or a boy moose? Or it was a girl moose. Was it big or little, young or old, medium? Yeah, I think it was about a couple years old.
I saw a bunny poop.
Yeah, and you saw bunny poop. What else did you see that you don't see back home?
I want to see another moose.
I want to see another moose too. But what did we drive in that you were surprised to see?
Snow.
Snow, that's right. Snow and ice. You ready to go for a boat ride later?
Yes.
Yes, me too.
Hello.
Hello. I love you.
Love you.
Oh, Grammy's got to drive. We got to take a corner. We got to turn.
I don't want to get in an accident.
No. Nope.
Yay! No accidents happening.
Now hold on, Grammy's driving.
No, I'm not the one.
Oh, I can't drive as fast as I usually do because we have a trailer. So we're going to feel more bumps, okay? Well, I'm sorry. But I'm driving faster without the boat, aren't I?
What?
I'm driving faster without the boat, aren't I? Yay! So the girls and I just put the boat in the water, put Grampy in the water, and according to Autumn, sail him away forever. And we are taking the trailer and the girls back to camp and hope not to get a flat on a newly graded road. That wouldn't be cool.
I don't want a flat tire
No,
from a sharp rock.
that's right.
Pop our tire, and then we have to walk all the way home from camp.
That would be a long walk. But
I'm tired already.
you got up early. But I doubt we'll have a flat tire on the truck. If anything, we'd have a flat tire on the trailer. But we've just had a flat on the truck here a few months ago, didn't we? Yeah. You don't. You weren't at camp with us, honey. Okay. Well, I love you girls. Thanks for taking Grampy into the water.
Forever.
Forever.